Kani gadiga Patisi TV.
Ka Church of God Ecclesia Secondary School kabadan hamaula nongkwar kalapun ko Burom karpangi ki kena ki balapas ba haki Eksamin Secondary School Living Certificate bat ka Higher Secondary School Living Certificate jang mentaus nam araja khanyo ya kani ka jing pun ko Burom la pelong hak artarek mentau bana jileu ha auditorium jang kani hi ka school haka balai don langru wai ni khot ka managing committee utaman basan pi sotun kumjo ka principal barem jong ni ka skol ikong pi wa lang nang ta ka principal bamenta jong ni ka skol ikong ti tariang ka vice principal ikong SB jana kina hi kailam ba kikmi ki pa jong ki khna manta osnam ka ni ka skol class ai hadu sa prangot ki khna ki balai khon ni ka Eksamin Sslc bat nakini baro kasamla Safida Grace L Nongbri kalawan ka kerdan ka banyau haka top kerteng top 20 Habakhan kan lompat ke balapas haka kerdan first division haka ni kasnam kiladong arpo prangon bat haka second division pan kat khandaingon habapai pat chaka Eksamin Hsslc nakani ka school kiladan arpo laingon ki balai khon haka ni kasnam haka ni ka Eksamin nakini baro ki balapas haka kerdan first division kidan laingon haka second division kidan prangon bat kar arngon naki pat kidai ki balapas haka third division Nakaliang ka Rotary Club Orchid City Shillong ru haka lifeway trek bna jamang balala kalapun ko Burom ki samla ke balapas haka top 10 haki Eksamin baper jungki haka jelang ke balalong ha anton ho la emkra Shillong haka ni ke jelang lapun ko Burom ki khatlai ngut ki samla ki baki kerteng jungki kilarung haka top jungka kerteng top 10 haka art stream nang ta khalai ngut na ki pan ki dai ki ba larung ka kerteng jungki haka top 10 jungka commerce stream bat si pongot pat haka top 10 jungka science stream Bat naka science stream kandai ngot naki kidai baro kiba naka school St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong. Yakini ki samla lapun ko Burom do commissioner jong katna transport jong sarkar jela u Israel inti IES ubalalong kongsan haka jelang. Ringkat ki weide bakantop yo president jong ka Rotary Club Orchid City Shillong upan Kaj Kapur. Ki weide ki balai don lang hakani jelang ki kantop ya ka director membership jong ka seng ka Dr. Kaveri Borthakur u director ka New Generation u Krishna Das Gupta u Vice Principal jong ka St. Anthony's High Secondary School Shillong u Father Gabriel but u Secretary jong ka Rotary Club Shillong City Shillong u Pradeep Pillai.
We have heard a lot from the members of the Rotary Club, from the students who have done well. We have not heard from the parents. We missed out the parents. But first of all, I would like to thank the parents for having given an opportunity to your child for having done well, and secondly for the student who has taken this opportunity and has come out successful. So I would like to propose a round of applause. Opportunities in life are very rare, and it is the duty of parents to give such opportunities to students, and for the students and children to take such opportunities and make them into dreams. Today is not the time for speeches, but a time for celebration. So I'm sure you would like to go back home. So I will not take much time. I would like to congratulate the parents, the students and the members of the Rotary Club. Do continue to have such programs, and we will be grateful to participate.
Kani gadiga Patisi TV.